around up to 777X. It's big. Inside of here. So basically, you're off the ground, that opens up, this goes in, and the whole thing closes back. Ground power, these things are actually heavy. So you've always wondered about the camera, the forward camera. It sits right there. Oh, it's cool. Alright. This is called being under the belly of the beast. Now there are all kind of sensors. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's cameras that they're using to, I guess so you can check the landing gear. So those would be the rear cameras. There they are. And they're probably permanent. Okay, so now you can see, look at the size of that engine compared to that guy. It's incredible. Sorry, I got in this guy's photo. I might have gotten in your photo, sorry. I didn't see what he was doing. Alright. So, this airplane, it just goes forever. Still walking. So they do skid tests on these planes. And so, they put these little things on. And this is so when it lands and they're testing, I think they call it a tail drag. So they basically drag the tail along the runway. But you don't want to damage your airplane when you're testing it, right? So they put that on there, and then you can drag as much as you want. Because if you do a tail strike, that's not a good thing. Alright, so I'm going to back up and see how far I can go. Whoa. Alright. So yes, I am like a kid in a candy store. So the 777 is my favorite airplane, in case you don't know yet. This is just a variant. So it's a 777X. So they'll have a -9, a -10. Yeah, they'll have different numbers based on how far it can go, how much it can hold. Now every time they take off, hello. Okay. So here's the cool thing. The person in charge of the flight testing for this airplane, her name is Captain Heather Ross. How cool is that? Look at this baby. So Boeing has made this airplane larger than life, I'd say. It is so wide, I have to keep going back. Six wheels, 2, 4, 6, 12 wheels, 14 wheels. Same amount of wheels that's on this one, which is a 300 ER. That's in commercial service. This plane is not yet fully certified, and what you can see up here are the launch customers on the side of every Boeing. When they're testing them, it's a launch customer. So Lufthansa is actually the launch customer in this one. But I think that those interpretations that might have changed a little bit because one, there's Lufthansa, and I think because it's taken a little while, some of the other carriers have dropped out. Where is that plane at? This is actively important. It's a DWC is a code. So you'll see planes landing from time to time. But this video is about the 777, just doing the outside walk around. So look at how big that engine is. Now they're going to be, now these folks here, this is like the support crew that make it happen. So awesome crew. So when you see these, you know, the pilots, you know, they go in, they do their stuff, but the support from everybody else is pretty amazing. Alright, so we basically walked fully around. Yeah, I guess. Sorry. It's big. Now the cool thing is, once they get done with all the testing, then they go build them, you know, commercially, right? They just pop them out. It's very cool.